Guys, I'm recording this video for the 7th time. Good afternoon and happy Sunday. We are pleading with South Africans and everyone for that matter to sign a petition in relation to a bail hearing on the 10th of December regarding a rape case of my mother, a 76-year-old grandmother. This happened on the 23rd of November, early morning. There was a break-in. They assaulted my mother. It's two men, actually two boys. Can't even call them men. They are two boys who assaulted my mother and took her belongings and raped her on her birthday. I remember receiving a call at 5, which was very strange, at 5 from my brother. Without getting into details about this matter, guys, we are just pleading Ogoti people should sign a petition and share to everyone. And I also remember on Friday the 21st, where GBV was declared as a national disaster. And this happened on Sunday the 23rd. So we are pleading, siyacela guys, siyacela ndokubani sign a petition ukuthi they should not receive a bail. They should not receive a bail. Sign a petition and share to anyone who will be able to support us as a family who are close by eXofumbaba magistrate on Wednesday. Siyacela nize ngobuninzi benu. Siyacela nize ngobuninzi benu. And also to organization ezikwazi ukunceda in situation like this. Please, everyone should share this, can share this video to those organizations. The perpetrators were arrested, but that is not enough. We know how things operate in South Africa, especially if there's no public outcry. Sometimes cases get neglected. They get neglected. So even those have public outcry, i-cases zocwecwe andiyazi baziphi, I would say zaphelele emoyeni, because we are not hearing anything about those cases anymore. But we are pleading, South Africans, we are pleading to everyone as a family to support, to share, to organization, to share the petition, to share the letter that I have written in relation to this. All the details are on the letter. This is nerve-wracking. I have mixed emotions. It's so difficult even to record this video, but I can't sit down and fold arms, and unfortunately andikwazi uba ndibe sekhaya during this time. So you can imagine. So we're just pleading with everyone, guys, please don't pass this video without signing the petition and sharing the petition. Thank you.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Nangisisi udzinga abantu ukuthi basayine i-petition for makwakhe lo wangenelwe endlini bobhodi bantshontsha baceza lapho bamdlwengula. Sikhuluma ngemuntu omdala lana lona 76 years old guys. Bani labanjani laba raper umuntu lona 76, umuntu lomdala lona 76 years. Usuqabangani usuke utipta inkanuko. This is just so heartbreaking guys. Labantu laba kahle bekose baboshwe kuthathwe emakhiya nje alahlule egcini le la ngekaphinza atholakale khona. So asimsideni sesesayina i-petition kokuthi makwakhe athole justice kahle kahle singasho njalo ukuthi makwakhe athole justice labantu bangakhoni ukuthi bathole i-bail because siyayati sonke i-justice system yala Mzansi bangaboshwa namhlanje njengoba baboshiwe kusasa bese baphumile roaming around sebafree ngazi ukuthi akende kulutho. Oligama lakhe lentombazane laphana ku-TikTok Madedeza Nosi Lola. Sambeni sonke guys laphana kulela page la siyosayina leya petition and make sure ukuthi makwakhe uyayithola i-justice. Ngimake lo mdzala lo lesikhuluma ngayo naleli gama lakhe ngilibhale phansi. Ungafika nje lapha ku-TikTok yakho useshe uMadedeza Nosi Lolo ubese uyangena lapha ufakile i-link, ungene kule link usayine leya petition because sidinga i-justice for make lona 76 years old. This is a serious case. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.